tastes so good. This is my rice. I cooked it last night and I put it in the refrigerator after, so I'll be using this one for our kimchi fried rice. The next thing you need to do is just to put your rice on your kimchi. So ayan, yan yung homemade kimchi natin. Diba? Sarap tingnan. And then in here, as you can see, medyo wala siyang kulay. So what we're going to do is to add yung sabaw ng kimchi natin dito sa rice. A little lang para magkaroon ng kulay. At saka para lalo siyang sumarap, and then you just need to mix it. So all you need to do is just mix nyo lang hanggang mag-even yung color niya. I-taste nyo muna first, okay? Bago nyo ihain, para naman swak na swak sa timpla nyo. Harap, diba? For the last step, we're going to garnish it with our scallion. So, let's try.
Very masarap.
There you go, friends. This is our kimchi fried rice. It's a simple kimchi fried rice using my homemade kimchi.